In this video, I want to document and show you an awesome strategy that I use to make money with Gmail and at the same time with Craigslist. Now, for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Jay. I document my personal ways that I use to make money online. I flip junk online. I do e-commerce, drop shipping, drop servicing, and making content on YouTube on a daily basis. I'm doing all sorts of things, and on this channel, I'm very passionate in making videos on that. So if you're new to the channel, definitely go down below and subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But what's really fantastic about this, I haven't spent any money on ads. Craigslist is a great place. One of these, I think it's currently the biggest marketplace website in the world where we can get pieces of huge traffic, and especially from targeted traffic. And I've been using this actually with drop servicing and as well as affiliate marketing. This video, I'm going to show you how you can do both if you want to try drop servicing with Craigslist or if you want to try affiliate marketing. This is all going to make sense as we go along, so make sure to watch this video until the end. And also, don't forget to go down below to the first link in the description to subscribe with the bell on to my second channel. On this channel, I am having giveaways in every single video. The last videos, or 7 videos in the past week, I've been doing a $10 giveaway in every single video. So if you want to get the chance to win $10 perhaps every single day through a giveaway method, definitely go down below to the first link in the description. Go subscribe to this channel, check out my latest few videos to see how the giveaway works so you can enter that and hopefully win some money online. But without further ado, I'm going to get straight into the first platform, which is Craigslist.org. So Craigslist is a worldwide website where we can go and post various different adverts, promote different products or services that we're perhaps selling in our local city. But what's really great about this, our location doesn't matter, because the services and the affiliate products that I've been using is all digital, and everybody can access that off their laptop or their mobile device. So they don't need to come to an office to pick up a table that someone's buying, or they don't need to come to the office to enter for the job interview. There's nothing like that. There's no physical interruptions in between. It's all digital. So what I actually want to show you is, in the power of this and where I've actually been making a lot of money online with this, is if you come to Craigslist.org, you can choose your country, city. I just suggest choose United States, choose a massive city like New York. You can go through all the cities if you want to. Like I said, the location doesn't matter. Come down over here. This is the big part. Resumes, or it might say CVs. So this is a section where people are posting ads looking for jobs. So what we can go and do is we can actually go and help these people get online jobs and kind of get paid a commission for that. So take a look at this. There's a whole bunch of people over here. Let's actually just go and type here work from home, for example. Let's click on enter. Take a look at this. I'm seeking employment, not work from home. Work from home health and fitness coach. Work from home New York. So let's take a look at this. Looking for an extra income. Looking for a part-time position. Looking for administrative work. Let's take a look some more here. Media office manager and biller. I wouldn't choose that. Looking for a full-time position in healthcare. So they're also looking obviously for an income, looking for extra work. Let's open up a couple of these tabs. Take a look at this. You can see this guy's here as a single parent working full-time, looking for any extra income. So this person obviously lost their job due to the virus. So what we can go and do is we can actually go and suggest to them or help them out with an online job and get paid a commission for that. But there's a very unique way that we've got to go and set this up. It's not just a matter of spamming links on their profile or anything like that. There's a very unique way that we need to go and set this up. So just to recap, what you want to do is you want to come over to the resume section of any city in the world, and you want to come over to any of these people that are looking for different ways to make money. For example, you can see here, it's just a person, remote work from home, I'm seeking for employment. Anybody that's looking for any kind of job in any kind of niche, just a way to make money, you want to open up all those people like I've done here in separate tabs. And the next step from here is actually fairly simple. What you want to do is you want to come to gmail.com and create a brand new Gmail account like the one I've created over here. So all you can do is you can sign out all of your accounts. You can create a new account for free. I'm sure most of you have a Gmail account or understand how to create one. Once you land on this page, that is step number 2 complete. I'm going to head back to now what we need to do on Craigslist, but I'm actually going to first go complete step 3 and 4 and then apply everything to this so it'll make better sense to you. But like I said in the beginning, I'm going to show you two ways that you can go about this. I'm going to show you how we can do the drop servicing off of Fiverr, or if you want to go about the affiliate marketing route, we can go about clickbank.com, which is the #1 affiliate marketplace in the world. We can go become an affiliate, get our unique link to other people's products. Every time someone clicks on that product or clicks on our link and buys that product, we get a commission for that. Same with Fiverr.com. Here, people are selling different high income skills, such as writing a high quality SEO article or blog, creating a high converting Shopify dropshipping store for $355. So let's go, for example, it could be any service. Let's take this one over here. I will design a YouTube channel art with a profile picture. What actually a few people do is, and I do this myself, is I go and drop service this, for example, sell it at like $30, just comes to Fiverr, they do it for $15, they send me the hard work, I send my work to my clients, my clients now pay me $30, I literally make $15 in the middle as doing none of the hard work. All I did was had to secure the sale with my clients, and I'm making 100% markup. And I'm not even doing anything. So that's what I like about drop servicing. It's a very powerful way to make money online because you're selling high income skills without actually doing any of the hard work yourself. So very similar concept to that of drop shipping, but instead of products, we're now drop shipping services. And what I actually thought of is actually going over to ClickBank, and I'm going to use the business and investing niche. This is probably the highest paying niche when it comes to selling affiliate products online. It's anything that's got to do with finance or education, because people want to learn, they want to develop high income skills to improve themselves. So there's a very high paying niche, therefore there's a lot of money to be made here. So what I actually suggest is come over to the search bar, and we can actually search, for example, type in the search bar Cristani. So John Cristani has a huge affiliate marketing course where he teaches you how he makes 6 figures a month with affiliate marketing. Now the course isn't going to teach you how to suddenly go from 0 to 6 figures a month. It teaches you how to start off with 4 figures, then scale to 5 figures and build a big affiliate business online over time. So what this means is over here, you can see there is a number that says $667. This means this is the amount of commissions you're going to get for every sale that you make through this affiliate link. And what I've been going around and doing is basically promoting this product, suggesting it to people. You just click on generate hop links over here. You can see here is your affiliate link. We can copy this, for example, just quickly come over to a website called bit.ly, just shorten it to make it look a little bit neater and not as spammy. Let's click on shorten over here. Here you can see is your short URL through your affiliate link. So take a look at this. If I actually open this in a new tab, this is where the power of high converting sales comes in. He actually offers a webinar or kind of like a free training which then upsells his course. So you can use this free training that he offers kind of as a hook to make people into this free training, which then later on upsells them to the course. So you can actually say to people, here's a free training on how to make money online. You're welcome to check it out. Here's the link. Instead of here's a $2,000 course, here's the link. No one's going to want to do that. They want something free. People like free stuff. If you can use the power of something free, you can convert way higher more people into your specific product or service. So what we're then going to do is we're going to come back here to all these different tabs that we have opened up. So for example, this person is seeking an extra time job position. This person is looking for admin work. This person is looking for a full-time job. This guy's looking for extra work. And then there's some more listed over here. So what I suggest is when we come to one of these guys, click on the reply button over here. Let's click on reply. It's going to pop up with this captcha. Click on I'm not a human. And we just need to enter all these little bus images that looks like a bus. Let's click on check. And there we go. Then click on show email. And over here, this is the important part. You can see this person's response email. What you want to do is you actually want to copy this as is, just like that. You want to come back to your Gmail account that you've created. You now want to click on compose over here and you want to paste their email. And for the subject, we can just type here brand new opportunity. So obviously he knows, or this person knows, when they receive this email, it's got to do with perhaps their adverts on Craigslist in terms of looking for a job, because that's the ad they've posted. They're looking for an opportunity to make money online or make any money through a job, any kind of hustle. And then for the body of our email, I actually generated or created this script over here. So we actually need 2 types of emails for this. I've got here the first email and then the reply email. So the first email goes like this. Hi, I just saw your inquiry on Craigslist about you looking for a work or job opportunity. I have a very helpful and valuable free training that will teach you how to build a 4-figure plus per month affiliate marketing business from home. The training is helping many people across the globe as it is acceptable or accessible to anyone online and work and make income during the pandemic from home. If you want to get more info, email me back at my email. Remove the spaces, and if not a problem, and all the best with the job hunt and your name. So what we can do is we can actually copy this and we can come back here and paste this over here just like this. And then what you want to do is you can go and send this. So for example, I'm going to hit send and send this through to him. But this is the important part. We now need to click on the settings of our Gmail account, click on see all settings. It's then going to pop up to the screen, and then you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and take a look at this. Over here, you have what you call a vacation responder, which means when people respond to your email, you can set your email to automatically respond to them with a preset reply. And then what we can go and do is come back to this document. By the way, if you do want this document, all I ask is leave a like on this video, subscribe down below with the bar, and if you're new, and also leave a comment down below that you're ready, and I'll reply to your link with the share link to this document where you can go and download that. And then the second reply, it says the following. I'm just going to quickly copy this, come back here. So now when they respond, this is what our email is automatically going to respond back to them. Hi, thank you for the interest in our opportunity that's been helping making people money online from home during the pandemic. Some people have been making $500 to $2,000 per week extra with affiliate marketing from this training, only using their computer and internet from home. All you need to do is click on this link in the email and it will take you to the website where you can access the free training. Enjoy. So why I've done it like this is because in the first email, I want to make it seem as if I am organic. I'm not just spamming a link or putting a link. I'm asking them, would you be interested? If they say yes or no, then I'm going to reply to them. So it makes me seem real, it builds trust, and it builds authenticity. So then what we can do is we can go back to Bitly, copy our link, and all we can do is just paste this over here and click on save. So now that's saved. If that person responds to me, he will then get that reply from me, and if he's interested, he will then click on that link, access the free training, and you can go and do that for all these different people looking for jobs on Craigslist. And what you can also do is you can come back to Craigslist on the homepage over here. Instead of resumes, let's just come back to the homepage, just waiting for this to load. You can actually go and search for different services over here. So for example, let's go look for, I would say, computer services. And what we can do is we can type, for example, looking for a website. We can click on search, and you can go and search for people on here. For example, need a computer-based job working from home. You can go search for people on here looking for a website design or wanting a website built. You can get back to them, set up a similar strategy to this, and you can just go buy a gig or Fiverr after they pay you. And then just transfer the work to them and keep your profit. But I definitely think this works better with affiliate marketing, as the website is set up for you, the landing page is set up for you. You don't really need to do any of the hard work yourself. But what I will actually do is, on the screen above, I will leave a clickable link on the square link to my Fiverr drop servicing playlist, where you can go and learn how to make money online, drop servicing high income skills off of Fiverr without doing the work yourself. I definitely suggest go and click on this link on the screen above, as it will teach you a lot of high income skills and how to make money online. So if you want to go and learn that, definitely click on the screen above, and I will see you there.